Hi, in today's video we will be diving into a new critical health topic, human growth hormone deficiency, how it can affect your body and signs you should be aware of if you see them. HGH is essential for growth, metabolism and overall health, but when your body doesn't produce enough, it can lead to some serious issues. HGH is produced by the pituitary gland and plays an important role in your body's development. It affects everything from bone density to muscle mass to fat distribution. But what happens when there is not enough HGH? Now, if you are an adult, here are the key signs that you should be aware of. Decreased muscle mass, you might notice a loss of strength and difficulty in building and maintaining muscle. Increased body fat, especially around the waist. HGH deficiency can lead to weight gain, particularly in the abdominal area. Fatigue and low energy levels. Feeling tired all the time, even after a full night's sleep, can be a sign. Depression and mood changes. HGH impact your mental well-being, and low levels can lead to depression, anxiety, and irritability. Heart issues. Lack of HGH can affect your heart's health, increasing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Now, here are some signs to look for if you are concerned about your child. Slow growth rate. If your child is significantly shorter than their peers, this could be a red flag. Delayed puberty. HGH deficiency can cause delays in puberty, which might be noticeable as your child approaches adolescence. Chubbiness or weight gain, particularly around the face and stomach, without a corresponding increase in height. If you or your child are experiencing these symptoms, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional. HGH deficiency can be diagnosed with blood tests, and treatment can make a significant difference. Remember, early detection is key to manage HGH deficiency and preventing more serious health issues. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. See you in the next video.